Hi guys, welcome to another investigation. Tonight you join us at St Margaret's Church, East Wellow, the resting place of Florence Nightingale, the lady, aka the lady with the lamp. It's the first time we've ever been to this church. I know she is meant to be seen walking around the grounds around December time, but we thought we'd nice weather. First time we've been here, so we thought we'd come in along and have a look, do an investigation for you guys. Sorry we haven't put any films out lately, but we've been a bit hectic with work and everything. So yeah, if you see anything, please comment down below and let us know if you hear anything as well. Okay, without further ado, we'll get into it.
Cool.
So we're going to go Florence is first then.
I don't mind. It's up to you.
Yeah. We're off the main road, guys. You shouldn't get much traffic noise. Lovely old church. You can see the wooden door. I suspect it to be locked now.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to open and I was thinking, oh, we can look.
The thing is, you get so many bloody vandals and that, but they'd wreck it, wouldn't they?
Definitely.
But there you got the plaque. Nice.
So,
The grave of Florence Nightingale is under the Nightingale family monument. The tall memorial in steeple shape, nearly opposite the church porch. The inscription FN and the dates of birth and death below. A cross is in a coordinates with her express wish. Well worth a visit, guys, if we're around this way. And you can see the shipwreck timbers with wooden beams and everything, wooden pins, and at least we're blessed with decent weather tonight as well, guys. In that way. Anybody on the live, Harry, as yet? Hi guys.
Emma, Robert and Chris.
Again, if you see anything, guys, let us know. But this is her final resting place. You've got a K2 there, Harry, and all. Hi Florence. You come in peace, love and respect. I'm going to turn that light down a little bit. That's it. We're just trying to communicate with you. If you'd like to come forward, make yourself be known. There's a little black box on your headstone with lights on it. You can go towards and it will flash and just let us know of your presence. Or are there any other spirits here who would like to come forward, make themselves be known? There's a helicopter in the background, guys. I'm riding here. Might be picking that up on the audio. Are there any other spirits here tonight who would like to speak to us? Let yourself be known. Come out of the shadows and step forward. Come to the sound of my voice. Are there any other spirits? Got any messages they'd like to put out? Again, guys, we won't fake nothing. So if we get responses, we will. If we don't, we won't. That's obviously we won't try faking. It's one thing we don't do. You've certainly got a lovely headstone, Florence. I believe it's your family as well. Lovely quiet spot. Do you get fed up with people coming and visit you? Do you like people coming and visit you? I think it's back in the Crimean War where she took up her nursing career, mostly where she done her nursing. Not wounded soldiers, is that correct? No, I think she died in London. And her family lived back here at Wellow, and they actually offered her, because they realised how good a nurse and what her profession was, they was going to bury her in one of the abbeys, but she didn't want that. Her wishes was to be buried back near her family. At least it makes it better for all the locals that would like to come and visit and pay their respects. Should we have a wander around then, guys, and
Can do.
anything else? No, I'm just going to give Harry the bag. He's the car horse tonight. I've got the other one. I'll take the K2 round with us and see if we get any spikes. Again, guys, if you see anything or hear anything, might want to turn that down a bit, Harry, that light. Are there any spirit? How close is Steve? He's miles back. If that's a spirit, can you do that again, please? Are you to my right? Are you that side? I'm just going to try it near the phone. Right. Can you come towards this device in my hand again, please, spirit? If it was a spirit, can you come forward? Again, we mean you no harm, no disrespect. We come with love and light. Bit weird, guys. It was here, and it's... well, no, even if I shake it, it doesn't go off. But we did get a spike. Yeah, no, I haven't got no. That's the microphone setting that off. Can you come forward again, spirit, please? Make yourself be known. On cue. Can you flash it right up to red for me, please? My name's Jeff. I've also got Stephen, Harry and Lynn here. We'd like to communicate with you. Would you like us to walk further to communicate with you? If so, can you flash some more lights on this device in my hand? It won't harm you in any way. It's just to help us try and communicate with you. Are you buried here? I think we'll go a bit further. If any spirits would like to communicate with us, just come towards me. This device will flash and we will stop and try and communicate with you. I'm just looking to see if there's any power lines, but there ain't no power supplies anywhere out here. Just that one little notch. Can you do that again? Let's go out in this way then. Come out of the shadows, spirits. You come out the spirits, we'll communicate with you, we'll speak with you. Or can you make a sound even? We would love to speak to Florence Nightingale if she's about. Or she'd like to speak to us. We have some other devices we'll be using in a while.
Did it?
Can you do that again? If that's a spirit. Just getting the odd little spikes. There might be something to do with what's in the box. Can you do it again, please? What's that?
I just saw an orb go past the camera.
I don't know if that was a...
That's a fly, isn't it?
I don't know, it was like a cobweb or something. That's what I thought I saw.
That's spirit.
Something came, literally swooped from like
From that side across
from your hand.
and went that way, but we'll have to have a look.
Way.
I know Stephen got that on.
I got some up, I don't know what it was.
No, I didn't
I got
know.
it on here.
And shortly after you said that,
I heard something out there, yeah. But the thing is, if it was a bug or something, I'd have seen it out here, but I only seen it about here.
the only
It was like it
thing-
manifested here and went by.
The only thing I sort it could have been summer, because if I got it on here and Harry got it on there, it's a bit of a...
Yeah. Oh well, guys, have a look back on the live and see if you saw that. But I don't want to say, it's almost like one of them.
manifestations.
No, like if it was something unparanormal, it was like one of the what would you call them, Lynn? The dandelion things, wasn't it? Them little round.
Oh yeah.
That's what it was like. But
I
say,
had a bad shoulder because my left shoulder hurts.
has someone had a
What did I say at the start, Steve?
Oh God.
I said I felt like my shoulder was dropping.
I feel like someone wants to come through, but I don't want to go in trance really.
The thing is though, Dad, I think I've got it caught on here. If not,
Yeah.
I call it with my eyes. When something went past, that did go off your K2 meter.
did it?
Did you get it on your shoulder?
Yeah, it was my left shoulder
Yeah,
when
my
we were
left
walking
shoulder
around.
blade as well.
Yeah, if you saw it in live, guys, we'll look back later anyway and see if we got it.
I definitely got it.
If that was a spirit, can you come back again, please? You can use some of our energies if you need it.
Your camera is already on off, and it was
Is it?
full.
Might have to get another battery then in a minute for that one.
I'll leave it till it goes.
Don't get it right down too low.
No, it's alright at the moment. It's still got...
Unless you want me to get a battery and you
no,
carry
it's
on.
still got an hour, 15
Oh,
minutes.
right, okay.
But it's gone down from 2:30.
If that was a spirit, Can you come forward, please, again? That was brilliant if it was. That'd be the first signs, first states of a manifestation, if it was. Can you do that again for us, please? I know it takes a lot of energy.
Use our energy as well.
As Lynn said, you may use our energies. What I'm going to do, because you both got cameras, haven't you? I'll give you that one, Lynn. And
Oh, I'm not hurting my shoulder.
that's that mic playing that up. Is it worth doing a spirit box here, Stephen, do you reckon?
In a minute I will.
Making my shoulder go funny. Are you trying to come into my
You
body?
probably got a couple more in here as well.
What's that?
K2s.
I think I probably have. Can you step forward again, Spirit, please? Come out of the shadows and follow the sound of my voice.
I can feel your chest as well. Did you have a heart attack? You did. Is your name Edward?
One spike. Did you get that? See that?
And getting spikes over here as well.
Yeah.
You buried here. I can feel you. All my top of my chest is tight.
Check out the video when we put it up, guys, because Stephen's got the other video camera pointing on the limb, which is getting K2 hits as well.
Just heard an orb go right up and go into Lynn.
Go into me.
Mhm.
Yeah, he's trying to come into my body, I think. I don't often let you in. I can feel you.
We're putting them live onto Lynn in a second. There we. I'm going to leave the bag there, Stephen. I'm just going to wander around with the K2.
Stay here a sec.
You alright, Len?
It's inside me, I know. I'm sweating. Did you have the fever?
Can you tell us your name? Are you buried here?
K2 is literally going off as well as this happens.
I'm just going to put this one down in front of Lynn. Have you got something to say to somebody?
I'm right up.
Can you tell us your name? I'm just going to stand behind her. Are you buried here? Did you die a long time ago?
Do you know what year it is? It's 2024.
Can you tell us what year you died? So it was 18 something. Katie on the ground.
65.
Katie on the ground.
What are they going?
1865? 64. Thank you for communicating with us tonight. Can you tell us your surname? Did you get that, Harry? Can you say that again for us, please? Arthur. Katie on the ground.
Every time I move it away, so I get the full frame. So every time I haven't got the camera on there. And by the looks of it, the one in Lynn's hand keeps trying to go up.
Can you flash the lights on the device on the ground again, please? Arthur? Have you got a message for anybody? Calling out now. Stephen?
Yeah, that's my name. Are you okay?
Be careful.
I'm being careful. Can you tell me why, please? What was that?
I don't know if it's cats or...
Sounded like a cow.
Can you tell us why Stephen's got to be careful for, please?
Is it because of what's on my back? Demons. Is that to do with what's on my back?
No.
It's not. Could you tell me why? I attract them.
They like you, Stephen. No, not let them in.
I'm not letting them in. Letting them in, should I say.
How many on live, Harry?
2. Could you step away from Lynn now? Can you let Lynn come back?
Thanks for talking to us, but you must back away now. Let's go back and rest and let Lynn go.
Thank you for the information, though.
Thank you, Arthur. Redwood.
Oh God.
You alright?
Yeah. I feel weird.
Hope you like that, guys.
Thanks for ages. I don't usually let them in.
Right, I think we take a little break a sec from cameras.
Yeah, how much time we got left on that?
We got plenties left, I think we should take a little break a second.
Yeah, alright, well, break. We're going to have a break for a couple of minutes, guys, but for you it'll be just like that.
Right.
And then we're back in a minute.
See you in a minute.
In a minute, guys. Hi, guys. I'll just turn that off a second.
No.
Hi, guys. Welcome back. Right, we just had a little break. Stephen felt a bit peculiar. His legs come over like jelly, so he's had a little bit of a break now. He's back now. We believe Lynn's K2.
Oh, that one.
Thank you, Spirit.
A bit weird as soon as I put the phone on it, it's gone.
Is that Edward and one on the ground?
Yeah.
Thank you, Spirits.
Camera shy.
Yeah, it's going off again.
Thank you. Can do it again.
Hang on, let me...
Don't come into me.
That on the ground again.
Wait,
How are you getting that on there?
Yeah.
I've got it now.
Thank you, Spirits. This is again, guys, this is where Stephen come over a bit peculiar. We didn't have the cameras rolling at the time. We're going to
This
try...
line's going off now.
We're going to try a spirit box session. Again, if you hear anything or make anything out, let
And
us
the one on
know.
the floor.
Line's going off. Every time you turn around.
Both of the ones on the
Both
floor now.
K2s. Right, let's try spirit box. If there's a spirit here, I've got a device in my hand, it'd be a bit to hear your voice. The spirit's been flashing the boxes on the ground and in Lynn's hand. Still flashing in Lynn's hand. Can you step forward, please, and make yourself be known? Maybe tell us your name.
On the ground again.
Are you around me?
Is Edward here?
Yeah.
Edward, can you come towards this device in my hand? I'll step away from the K2s, guys, and you can see nobody's near them. Can you come forward again, Edward, please? Can you make yourself be known, please, Spirit? Is it another spirit that's come in now?
That voice you just had come through a minute ago didn't sound bloody normal.
No.
I'm glad you noticed that.
I'll put this down here.
I don't know if you noticed it, Lynn. A voice of some sort come through on that a minute ago and it didn't sound very normal. Heading that way.
Oh, it went off. Are you an entity?
Can you step forward, Spirit, please? K2. Can you speak? Tell us something, please. Are you the dark figure we've seen around here tonight? Again, guys, when we didn't have the cameras rolling, we saw some dark figures around the churchyard. Can you come closer to us, please, Spirit? We're giving you permission to come forward. Make yourself be known. See a moth just gone up there. It flies different to what we saw earlier on come across. It went straight across, didn't it?
Yeah, it was quick as well.
Yeah.
No, you're not coming back in my body again. I feel you.
Would you like us to walk around the churchyard a bit more? Are there any other spirits here who'd like to communicate with us tonight?
Shoulder's gone again.
Or can you come towards us? K2. Again, guys, if you see anything in the videos, comment down below.
Looks something touched me just now.
You saw something.
Oh, I saw something touch me.
Something's come through on there.
Can you say that again, please? Can you tell us your name? I reckon wander around a bit more, Stephen, don't you? It's getting a bit late-ish, isn't it?
Right, turn that off then.
Right, we're going to have a wander around, guys.
I expect if we go, it'll follow us. You already know that'll happen.
What's that?
Said if we go round the Kirks. Did somebody just whistle?
Shopping cart hurts again.
You take the bag off.
Remember, I've got the spirit box in here this time.
Oh, it's gone. That shiver's going to hit me.
Got everything, haven't we? Yeah. We've got near, a bit nearer the older bits anyway, I reckon.
Oh, I don't reckon it's old, I reckon it's newer.
It's medium. It's older.
Yeah, he reckons it's. I reckon it's newer, but I got a funny feeling something's up there. I don't know why, but.
Again, if you see anything, guys, in the videos, let us know.
I wonder why.
Watch that plant stand there. Can't make out no dates on the stones, can we? So it's up round this way, and Stephen, you reckon?
Cobwebs.
You got cobwebs?
Just went through by them trees. I heard that.
What?
What's the buzzing noise?
High pitch.
Something behind here or something.
You hit.
I can hear it, yeah. And again.
It is, it's colder down that end, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the date on that one? This is newer up here, isn't it?
That's what I said.
1968.
You can see by the stones it's newer.
No, this is the newer bit, Stephen. So you want to go down the other way? Where do you want to go, Evo?
Well,
I don't
something
mind.
was taking you this way, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'll just.
What do you want to
It
go towards
feels
that?
warmer.
Yeah, it's warmer up this end. We want to go where it's colder, don't we?
Not if we're going to have stuff that's happened a minute ago again. Because I don't want that happening on camera. The bloody.
What's that?
It's again.
I'm trying to figure out where.
That's that buzzing. It's in behind there somewhere. Must be a power transformer or something in around there. Let's go over this way so we can get. Because if it is, it'll set off the K2s.
Is there anything in the bag?
Nothing that will beep like that, no.
Not buzzing.
Oh. It's a fucking weird smell. It's gone, but look, just had a really strange
Smell.
I don't know, it was sweet.
Really?
It's like someone popped a flower and put it under my nose. Because I've got a blocked nose as well, so it's a bit. Can't really smell a lot, but.
Maybe like eating out, don't they?
Lynn, you mean?
Huh?
You mean Lynn?
Both of you.
Yeah, attracted to you two, Evo.
Huh?
Attracted to you two.
There is another bit. There. It's to your right and down there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Goes down some steps. It's getting colder again. As soon as we got up on here.
It might be a newer bit there.
That's a newer bit because you've got all the crematorium ones bits in there as well, cremated ones.
You sure it's all new?
That's all new.
You
Can you
can
see
see
where the
that,
grass has been
modern.
cut? Right, we go back over. I just want to try near this chained one.
Fucking hell, you scared the shit out of me then.
Eh?
With
I
what?
wouldn't expect when he put that. I sounded like someone rustled over there. I was thinking, what the?
Right, spirits, we'll soon be going. Are there any spirits here who'd like to communicate with us, if you can? If so, can you flash this light, go towards this box in my hand, the lights will flash. It won't harm you in any way. Arthur or Edward, are you following us? If you are, go towards this device in my hand, please.
This battery's on 1 bar, by the way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We better end that one then, Stephen, haven't we?
Yeah. It's that low.
Right guys, thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Again, we'll try and get some more videos out when we can with weather and work wise. But if you haven't subscribed or liked, please do. Please share us out to your friends, family. Or if you know of any other haunted locations in Hampshire, New Forest, K2. Please comment down below. Again, we do not try faking or anything like that at all. Anything we catch is genuine. If we do go anywhere we catch it, we put it up. If we go somewhere and we don't catch them, we put it up. As again, I hope you enjoyed it guys, but until the next time guys, don't have nightmares.